Hi everybody, in this video I am going to discuss some important Python program. I am using IDLE Cell 3.12.0. You can download this software from python.org website by searching Google. So let's start with the software Python IDLE Cell 3.12.0. First of all, click the file menu, then new file and write the program. First program is the simple program. The first program is write a program to check a year is leap year or not. So this is the first program, leap year check. Suppose y is the variable, y equal to integer, y equal to integer, input, enter the year, enter the year. Then we need to check whether it is a leap year or not. The condition is if y, this is the y, small y and capital O are different things in Python. Python is case sensitive. Mod means remainder. Mod 400 equal to 0. or logical OR operator, or y mod 100 not equal to 0, and y mod 4 equal to 0. This is the condition for leap year. If this condition is satisfied, then print y is leap year. y comma y comma is leap year. Else colon print y is not leap year. Save the file. Let's choose a directory. Suppose I am saving desktop. Next, Ananta desktop. Then create a folder. Suppose I'm creating a folder here. New important Python 2024 or important Python program. Create a folder and then open it. Give the name of the program. Name of the program is leap. You can give any name. Suppose name is leap. Now run the program. Run module. First of all, enter the leap year. Suppose 2004, 2024. Here is leap year. Run the program again. Enter the year. Suppose 2025. It's not a leap year. Yes. Then run the program again. Check whether 2000 is leap year or not. 2000 spot 1400 1400 is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 400, and it is not divisible by 400. It is divisible by 100 but not divisible by 400. Suppose 2000 into 2000, it is leap year. So this is the important program of leap year. Consider the next program, new file. Next one is prime number. Check. N equal to integer input, enter the number. You can give one number, enter the number. Now for I in range, start from 2 comma in float division to plus 1 mean when it touch in float division +1, then it will terminate, then increment 1 by 1, and loop will continue this way. Now if n mod I equal to 0, then suppose flag equal to 1. Flag is initially flag is initially 0. Now when it is I equal to 1, then flag is 1 and break. Break mean out of the loop. If flag equal to 1, print number is mean n comma is not prime. Else print n is prime. Now save the file, save prime, save it. Now run. Enter the number. Suppose 13. 13 is a prime number. Now run the program again. Suppose 18 is not a prime number, but because 18 is divisible by 3. In this way we can check whether a number is prime or not. So this is a very important program of prime. Let us consider the next program, Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. A equal to -1, B equal to 1, then n equal to integer input, enter the limit. Enter the limit. Now for I in range, start from 1 comma n plus 1 incremented by 1. C equal to a plus b, print C comma end equal to space a equal to b, b equal to c, and there is a message of print Fibonacci series is now run the save it Fibonacci Fibo save it and run. To enter the limit, first of all we have to put the limit. Our limit is 9. The Fibonacci series is the 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 18, 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the Fibonacci series. You can run the program again. Run the program again, check it. Suppose enter the limit it 15, and this is the Fibonacci series. This is the Fibonacci series of 15 numbers. First two numbers 0 plus 1 1, then 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, and so on. So this is the concept of Fibonacci series. Very important question, Fibonacci series. Next program, new file, Armstrong number. Armstrong number. Armstrong number are those number when we sum those, we separate the digit, then perform the power of those digit, and if we get the number after getting the power and sum that is equal to the number, then it will be the Armstrong number. For example, 153 is a 3-digit number, 1Q, 5Q, 3Q. That is equal to again 153. So this is the Armstrong number. Now let us consider the program. N equal to integer, input, enter first number, enter any number, actually enter any number, enter any number, then initially we need to back up this number. Suppose m is the backup copy, m equal to n. Now we need to find out the number of digit uh, while n greater than equal to 0, then r is the remainder or equal to n mod we need to find the digit, so r n equal to n by 10, floor divisions n by 10, and c equal to, c is the count variable, c equal to c plus 1. So we will find out how many digits are there. C equal to initially 0. Initially this is 0. Now this is the end of the loop. Here we can find out how many digits are there. Print number of digits, we can show the number of digit, comma c. Now next we need to check the sum of this number. First of all we need to import math. Now math module is imported here for performing power operations. Now suppose p equal to m. Now m copy will be used, p will store the previous value of n. Now while m greater than 0, r equal to m mod 10. So this is the remainder. And now sum equal to sum plus sum plus r into math dot pow bracket within bracket C. C is the number of digit. Now m equal to m by 10. M by 10 mean float division. M is decremented here. Now finally sum is initially 0. Sum is initially 0. Now we need to check whether the sum is equal to the original number. If sum equal to p, then print sum equal to p, then print number mean p is Armstrong number. Armstrong number. Else 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 print p, is not Armstrong number. Anyway, MBAR. Now save the file. Save as. Save the file. Armstrong. Save it and run. So first of all, we need to take the input from the user, then store the backup copy. This while loop we use is to find the number of digit. Then next backup copy, this number will reduce each digit and find the sum of those number, power of C. Then that is equal to math power r comma C. Power mean r comma C. R is the digit and C is the power of that digit. Now this is the program. Now run the program. Save it. Enter any number. Suppose 153. Enter. There is an error. 153. There is an error. Do you have to kill it? Yes. If n greater than 0, then n equal to n plus 1 and c equal to c plus 1. While n greater than 0, n no, greater than 0 equal to 0. When n greater than 0, not equal to. When n greater than 0, then it will check. When m greater than 0, then run this again. Save. And 153. Number of digit is 3 and there is an error math.pow. So there is the problem. This sum equal to 0. This is the wrong type. Now check. Import math. Now math.pow. This is the math.pow and run this file again. Enter the number 153. Yes, number of digit is 3 and 153 is an Armstrong number. So this is the correct program. So there is a mistake in the equal to, that is equal to sum equal to initially 0. There is equal to operator. This is assignment operator, and we need to write math.pow r comma c. So this is the very important question through which we can find the Armstrong number. Run this program again. Suppose 1 2 3 4. Suppose any number. Suppose 1679 1765. Number of digit 4, but it is not an Armstrong number. So this is the concept of Armstrong number using Python. Next, consider another program. New file. Create the program. Now consider the next program. Factorial of a number using recursion. Factorial of a number using recursion. First of all, to define the function def fact then name is the number parameters. If n equal to 0, return 1, else return n into fact n minus 1. So this is the concept of recursion. When a function call itself fact 5 equal to 5 into fact 4. So this is the concept of recursion. When it is 1 0, it will return 1. Now the number n equal to integer number, input, enter any number, then call the factorial. R is a variable where return value will be stored. R equal to fact, and then n result. Print result of factorial is R. Now run the program. File, save, recursion, fact recursion, suppose fact underscore recursion. Now run the program. There is a mistake. Bracket is never close. The common mistake. Now run the program again. Suppose the number is 5 and the factorial is 120. So 5 mean it will check 5 equal to 0. No, then 5 into fact 4, 4 fact 4 will call again, fact 3, then fact 2, fact 1, then when it is 0, then it will return, and we are getting the result 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is the concept of recursion using factorial using recursion. Consider the next program. Suppose Fibonacci series using recursion. New file, Fibonacci series using recursion. Fibonacci series using recursion. First of all, def Fibo, then put n. If n equal to 0, n equal to 0, or n equal to 1, then return 1 or 0, means return n. N can be 0 or 1, then return will be n. Else return Fibo n minus 1 plus Fibo n minus 2. N equal to input, integer, input, enter the limit, enter the limit. Then we need to print every number. Then there is a for loop for I. Print, first of all, print Fibo, Fibonacci series is, Fibonacci series is. Now we need to use for loop because we have to print all the number I in range. Start from 1 0, n equal to 0, it can be 0 or 1, so it can be 0 0 2 n, and increment value is 1. By default value is 1. No need to give this. You can omit this default increment. Next one is print Fibo I. When I equal to 0, then it will print the Fibonacci series of 0, then and so on. So this is the concept of Fibonacci series using recursion. To print, save it. Fibo recursion. Fibo recursion, save it. Yes. Now run the program. There is a mistake. Yes. These are common mistake. Hold on. Run the module into the limit, suppose 10. And the Fibonacci series is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 8, 8, 5, 13, 13, and 8, 21, 21, and 13, 34. So these are the Fibonacci series using recursion. You can print it from row wise also, that is equal to n equal to space. Run this, and it will display row wise information. Suppose 10, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, and so on up to 10th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the limit 10. Now consider the next program, GCD of two numbers using recursion. New file. This is a very important program. GCD mean greatest common divisors, or you can say it as it is HCF, highest common factor. So it is HCF or GCD, both are same program of two numbers. First of all, we have to take two number, that is a equal to integer input enter enters enter first number, close it. Next, b equal to int input enter second number. Now need to define, before I'm going to take, we need to define the definition. Def, suppose the name of the, you can write any name, GCF, HCF or GCD. Suppose the name of the method is GCD and parameters is a comma b. These are the two parameters. Now we have to check whether exit criteria is b equal to 0, b equal to 0, then we need to return this. Return is the exit criteria. Every recursion must have an exit criteria. Return a. Else and is return GCD. We need to show up the remainder b comma a to b comma a mod b is the concept which will convert GCD of two number. These are the two parameters. Their exchange. Now GCD, we will call the GCD again. Now call the GCD return, mean there is a r equal to GCD a comma b. This is the calling area of any function. Definition must be the first area, then call from the main area. This is the main area where we can call the function. That is, after taking the input, and we'll pass the value to the functions, and we will return the r. Then finally print the result. Print GCD of two number is GCD of two number is comma R. Save it. This is the GCD recursion. Run the program. And the first number, suppose 3, another is second number 5. Then the common factor is 1. That is GCD of two number is 1. Now run the program again. Suppose uh, first two numbers are, suppose one is 15 and another is 5. The common and greater common divisor is 5. So answer is 5. Oh, so for two number, I'm giving two number in a one prompt. So first number is 15, second number is 5, and the GCD is 5. So this is the GCD of two number using regression. So these are the very important program in Python. Now let us consider the next program, searching, linear searching, linear search. First of all, n equal to integer into the limit, input, enter the limit, enter the limit. Now use for loop for I in range, that is 0 comma n comma 1. Initially suppose there is a list and L equal to, initially suppose empty, is a blank list. Now we need to add this number, suppose x equal to integer input, enter the limit, enter the number, L dot append, bracket x. So this is the appending of the number in the list. Now finally, suppose the list is print list is comma list is mean we need to write double quote list is comma L. Okay, so this is the adding of n numbers to the list. Now we need to search, suppose the y equal to int input, enter the search value, if we need to check up to 4 n number for I in range. We need to iterate the loop from 0, because every list start from 0, then n and 1. If L of I equal to y, then flag equal to 1. So initially flag equal to 0, flag equal to 0. Now when it is L of I is 1, then flag equal to 1 and break. And if you want to print the location, then LOC equal to I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because every number start from 0, but we are considering from 1 as user point of view. Now print if flag equal to 1, then print search is successful. Here search is issue double C successful, and position is LOC. Position is LOC. Else print unsuccessful. Search is unsuccessful. Or you can say the element is not found. Search is unsuccessful. So this is the concept of searching a number from a list of numbers. This is a very important program. Save it. Search .py. Run the program. Run it. Enter the limit. Suppose 5. First number is 10. Then suppose number 12. Then 6. You can put 7. Then suppose 3. So these are the list of numbers. Now I want to search 7. Then search is successful and position is 4. 1 2 3 4. From the computer point of view, 0 1 2 3. From user point of view, this is the fourth position. Now we can run this program again. It's a very important program. Run the program again. Suppose enter the limit 5, 10, 11, 12. Suppose 7, 5, and 9. I want to search 100, which is not found. Search is unsuccessful because 100 is not available in the list. So this is a very important program. Uh, Searching a number from the list. Next, new file, sum of digit of number, sum of digit of a number, sum of digit of a number. This is a very important program. First of all, n equal to integer input enter the limit. Now enter the limit. Now suppose initially s equal to 0, sum s for sum. Suppose sum equal to 0. Now while n greater than 0, then r equal to n mod 10. Sum of digit of number mean now sum equal to sum plus the remainder part, that is r. Now n equal to n float division 10. So finally print sum of digit of the number is comma sum. So this is a very important program of sum of digit of any number, any digit of number. We can print sum of digit of those numbers. Now save the program. Save sum of digit. Save. Run the file. Suppose digit 10. Suppose 1 2 3. Sum of digit of the number is 6. There is an error check it the error. This is a print input, enter the limit, print. This is a pre-arranged spelling mistake. Run the file again, run the program again. Enter the limit, suppose 1 to 3, and digit is sum of digit of the number is 6. So this is the very important program of sum of digit of a number. Now the next program is suppose the next program is so now the next program is need to display the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The first I need to display the pattern. Now I am going to now the next program of pattern display. That is new file has pattern 1. That is double quote stir. This is single stir, then two stir, two stir, then three stir, and so on. First of all, we need to take the data from the user in number of limit, integer, input, enter the limit. Now i for I in range 1 comma n plus 1 comma 1 for j in range 1 comma I plus 1. This is the nested loop. I plus 1 comma 1. Print j comma double quote space and now bracket, and this is the new line. Print just use print. Now this is the end of the program. Save it. Pattern 1. Run it. Suppose limit is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the pattern of numbers. We need to display the there is an end statement. We need to use end equal to double quote, and we need to display not j. You need to use star. This means star. Now run the program again. Save it, and suppose limit is 5. So 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. You can print any kind of star using this pattern. Now suppose I want to print 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can rename, save is the program, save as same program, pattern 2. Suppose I want to display 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This is the program of pattern 2. I'm just copy the program. 1 is the 1, then 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Same, first of all, we have to take the number from the users, range 1 n plus 1, I is 1 to I plus 1, and instead of star, we need to print j. So it will display 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Save it, run the program. Suppose limit is 5. 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 5 and so on. So this is the program through which you can print number in pyramid size, pyramid shape. Now suppose I want to print 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, first 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, then 1. Enter the limit same way. It will start from 1 to n, mean it is 1 2, so this loop will be from n plus n, from n, then it will stop in 0 and it is decremented by -1. Then it will print from 1 to n, mean when I equal to n, then n plus 1 and so on. Print the value, run module, enter the limit, suppose 5. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 and 1. So this is a simple concept. Just change the outer loop. It start from n because n is the initial value. That will be the final value of the innermost loop. So 1 to n, mean n suppose 5, then it will print 1 2 3 4 5. And n is decremented to 4, then 1 2 3 4 and so on. This is the concept of this 1 2 3 1 2 and 1. Now suppose I want to print 3 to 1, 3 to 1. I'm not saving the program. This is the pattern, actually 4 pattern, 3 2 and 3. Suppose I want to print this, I have to save it, save as pattern 4 actually. Now 3 to 1 3 2 and 3, mean it start from n and stop here, that is I. So n is the starting value here, first value should be the 1 and ending value is n plus 1. So this is the concept through which you can easily create any kind of, because there the n is the starting value, that is 3, and it will stop here 1, that is equal to I plus 1. 1 mean it will stop, uh, 1 mean we need to you need to perform decrement, that is equal to 1, mean there's I equal to 1, mean this is I equal to 1, it will stop I minus 1, decrement, and it will decrement by -1. Okay, n mean 3, then I is 1, that is it will goes to n 3 to 1 and so on. So it will print 3 to 1 3 2 and 3 and so on. Save the program and run it. Suppose the limit is 5 5 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 5 4 5. So in this way we can create any kind of pattern. Suppose I want to display this pattern, suppose I want to display, this is pattern 4, save it, pattern 5, save is at pattern 5, now pattern 5. I want to create a program, suppose 1 then 1 2. This is a multi-line comment in Python. There is 1 2 2 3 now 3 4 5 and 3 4 5 and so on. Now this is the n, I equal to 1 plus n, I equal to n plus 1 I plus 1, and there is a j that is equal to 1 and that is equal to I plus 1 and equal to 1, and we need to print j. It will be j, it will be another variable, suppose c, and c is initially that is equal to 1, because c is initially, this is suppose 0, and now the first of all it will print c, then c will be incremented to c equal to c plus 1. Now this will print the pattern. We need third variable, that will be c initially 0, then it will print c will be initially 1, actually not 0, c will be 1, then it will be 2 and 1 3 4 and c is incremented 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Now save this program and enter the limit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So these are the pattern of Python program. So in this video, I have discussed some important Python program. This is the first video through which I have discussed important Python program. In the next coming video, I will discuss remaining important Python program. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.